Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials: a 64-bit Windows 10 or 11 with all pending updates applied. Next, reboot now and test in safe mode with networking only if kernel-level drivers may block Vanguard. Once done, temporarily disable fast startup from power options to avoid driver load caching. Make sure not to change secure boot yet. These steps reduce interference while you run diagnostic tools and prepare for driver reinstallation, so you don't chase transient errors. You now remove Vanguard cleanly. Open apps, uninstall Riot Vanguard, and reboot to flush its drivers. Once restarted, open Device Manager, enable Show Hidden Devices, and uninstall any leftover VGC or kernel mode drivers. This prevents stale signatures. After that, run the latest Vanguard installer as administrator. The installer recreates its kernel service properly. Once it finishes, reboot one more time to allow the signed driver to register. These actions address mismatched signatures. You finish by verifying the Vanguard service. Run scquery VGC in an elevated prompt to confirm it's running. If not, reinstall immediately. Next, inspect driver signing and Windows integrity settings. Unsigned or tampered drivers will keep Vanguard non-compliant. If you still see the error, enable test mode briefly to see if unsigned drivers are the cause, then revert test mode to normal. Never leave test mode on. This single troubleshooting tip isolates signing issues without long-term security exposure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.